Oh, yeah. Another one, hemlock. Or no, that's a big leaf maple, I think. It's much dragging as paddling, it seems like. Don't crash into the trees. There he goes. No, it looks deep. Nothing. All this, but looks like this is the path to go.
Bow line is going to want to take off on it.
Yeah.
Stern line,
Stern. I think the water's a bit low. Whew. I'll log across. Well, think it's deep enough? I see some ripples up ahead there, but it's not really a ripple, but just very shallow here. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay. Yeah, like, wow, know, maybe it's hard to believe that's deep enough. Thank goodness for last night's rain. Creek. We actually have some water underneath us for a change.